So diver scallops are somebody literally goes out, hunts, swims down to the bottom, and grabs you a scallop. How's it going? I'm Chef Harrison. We're going to clean some live scallops. These bad boys are from Maine. I got them from Tom's Seafood in Lakewood. Great spot. Most of the scallops you see are not going to be live, and they're packed, sometimes refreshed, so they'll be frozen, and then also sometimes injected with saline just to keep that moisture in there. They're okay, but definitely not a true showcase of a scallop. When I was in Australia, they only had live scallops, and you can definitely tell the flavor difference. As you're going to take your scallop in your left hand, just take a dull butter knife, easiest one to use, and you just want to slowly open it up, especially down towards the hinge. Pop it. Then you want to take the back of the knife, cut along the scooped part, and just release that. Pop it open. And here you've got the whole thing. So you want to take all of this muscle out. So you're left just with the main muscle that we're going for. And then the little foot right at the end. And then bam, you got a clean scallop. And then you just pop them in some ice cold water to get some of that dirt out. And then here we've got the roe. So you just pinch that off. I love live scallops. They just have definitely a little bit more of that oceaniness, a little bit sweeter as well. There you go. Until you hear a little pop. This one's angry. Once you get it open enough, you want to take that scooped side and just run your knife along the bottom of the shell, gently releasing that muscle. And then you just want to scoop it out of this side. And release the bottom. Then we've got the whole scallop here. This is just connective tissue and the roe. You can just kind of get your fingers in there, peel it out. The scallop is quite fragile, so you don't want to go too hard. And then you take the little abductor muscle out, the foot. That's what attaches to the shell. Rinse it in some cold ice water. So diver scallops are somebody literally goes out, hunts, swims down to the bottom, and grabs you a scallop. And the sizes of scallops when you buy them at the store, so like U10, U8, U20s, that's just the measurement of how many scallops on average to the pound. So the smaller the number, the bigger the scallop. U8s are monsters, and you might see them in Vegas or something, but you don't see them that often. So my favorite part about scallops is they have a unique kind of sweetness to them. Just their diet of kind of filtering lends them to have a really unique flavor. Also like the texture of a nice scallop. It's firm, but it's still got a nice chew to it, and that's just kind of the muscle structure of how the scallop works. And once you cook a scallop, you can see the striations, and it basically is just a muscle doing this. So that leads to a very unique texture that you're not going to find in other animals. There's a nice one. If you ever see an orange scallop, it means it's a female scallop. Scallops are hermaphrodites, so they change their sex according to, I believe it's the temperature of the ocean, but they seed each other, but there's not really a designation to a male or female scallop. Rinse them in ice cold water for roughly 10 minutes, agitating them to get all that sand and grit off. And then we just let them kind of hang out in the fridge, dry up a little bit. I would say 20 minutes.